Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Agent Weather Forecast. Welcome back for another video. In this video we're talking about possible flooding for parts of the southeast. I made a video a little later today because I was actually at soccer practice, which ended at 5:30 Eastern time. So sorry for the wait. So I'm actually using a mouse for the first time, so it might be a little sloppy. So the next 6 hours you can see some really heavy rain near central Florida, southern Georgia, because that's what we got to watch out for. So yeah, we really got to watch out for that possible flooding. The next 12 hours, you see the heavier rain starts to go off the coast of parts of the Carolinas, so that won't be a big threat for the Carolinas. And then 18 hours, you can see the rain starts, let me go back to 18 hours. 18 hours, it starts to move into southern Florida. Yeah, southern Florida. That's why my circles aren't the best, because freaking this dumb mouse. 24 hours, you see the heavy rain stops in parts of southeast, and then it goes off. This is like a Saturday, not really Sunday storm. Well, it'll be really heavy rain for Sunday for the Virginias, especially Sunday night into Maryland. So yeah, that's why they have some flood. I believe they have flood watches there. So yeah, gotta watch out for that. And then it just goes off, not really anything. Maybe a snowstorm for parts of Georgia, Kentucky for, what is this? Not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So yeah, we gotta watch out for that because they can go in parts of Memphis. But yeah, we're not talking about that though. So yeah, I gotta watch out for that possible flooding. Yeah, 6 or 12 hours, it's actually really, really heavy. Just off the coast in parts of central Florida, like Jacksonville, will be getting some heavy snow there. So you got something that's something that we gotta watch for. So this is a new upgrade. They have now watches all the way from parts of South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, South Carolina. You have some there in southern Georgia. You have some here there because it's going to be maybe some heavy there for southern Missouri. But let me go in here where they actually just put a flood advisory for parts of like near Gainesville, Florida. So yeah, and then they have some flood advisories like 3 counties for Tennessee and all that. So we got to watch out for that. Yeah, we have flood watches. None in Georgia, none in Tennessee, but we have a flood advisory in parts of Tennessee. It goes all the way there. Let me just click here, see where that see what the radar looks like there, parts of southern Georgia. So yeah, you can see really heavy rain for just south of Gainesville. Look at that really heavy rain right there. And I'm surprised they haven't put a flood warning. So yeah, you can see it starts to be heavy at first in that circle, and then it goes heavier in here. It goes really heavy in this circle right here, really heavy. So you can see it starts to light, and then it gets really heavy. So if you live there, wouldn't be there's a 100% chance you're getting flooding. So yeah, gotta watch out for that, guys. Let me go to the model viewer. So this is how it looks like right now. Like I said, saw that really heavy rain for parts of Gainesville south of that, and then that heavy rain will go here, and then, sorry, this is a really bad arrow. Hold on. I told you guys this mouse is like really bad. Yeah, go here for the Carolinas and be really heavy off the coast there. So really, really gotta be careful, because it's not too late to put warnings. An hour, you can see it's so heavy now, it's in parts of the purple. So right there, they're in the purple, and then it gets heavier as it gets to the coast, and it might hit Gainesville with very heavy rain. And if there's wind with this, you can actually lose power. Look at that, how heavy it is. See, it's all the way in the pink. That's one of the heaviest rain that it can be in that color. Let me go to 4 hours. You can see how or 3 hours. Hold on, let me go back to 3 hours. You can see how the heavier rain got bigger, and you can see how, like I like we looked in that radar for Florida, see how the heavy rain started by Jacksonville, gets really south, really heavy for parts of Georgia, and then you see that's where Gainesville is getting really hit right there, really hard. I'm not surprised. I'm kind of surprised that they don't have a warning there. 5 hours, it's not really heavy for parts of inland, really heavy off coast. And then you see it starts to get heavy for the coast of, wait, that wasn't what I wanted. It gets really heavy for the coast, just the coast. It would be light right here. It would be kind of light. I say and then you see, then there's a heavier band for more of central, not over here, but more central. So yeah, gotta watch out for that. Because this storm still has time to change. Right now, it's affecting me right now, getting some light rain. And yeah, then it just goes off, and the rain will disappear in the next 18 hours. Maybe some scattered rainstorms, like right here, some scattered. Just see scattered all over the place, and that can maybe turn to another rainstorm. So yeah, let me go to the model total rainfall. So like I said, in this area we got to watch out for. That's where I'm surprised they don't have a warning. You can see already in the next 6 hours, you can see up to 2 inches right here, just south of Gainesville, Florida. So really got to watch out for that. 12 hours, you can see the heavy rain starts to go in the Carolinas, already 1.5 inches there. And look at this, 3.4 inches. Hold on, that was really bad. 3.4 inches right in that dark red. And then just south of it's getting 1 inch. So yeah, that's how that heavy rain is just affecting it. And then the next 18 hours, look at this, guys. This is almost 5 inches right in that little circle. And you can see right off the coast, they can get up to 3. Inland won't be as bad, like central Georgia, northern Georgia can get maybe 1/2 inch. So not as bad for those areas. So yeah. And let me actually see if they refresh this page. I believe, hold on, what is that? There is is that a Gale warning for parts of Florida? They have a red flag warning for Texas. So yeah, you see it goes all the way to Virginia, North Carolina, just because that heavy rain. And you can see, I think they should put a flood warning there, because you saw how heavy it looks. Let me go back and click. So this heavy rain, guys. That's what I'm talking about. At least have a warning right here, because look how heavy it gets. And then the heavy rain starts to get off from the Gulf of Mexico. Heavy rain starts to enter Valdosta. So yeah, you really gotta be careful. It could bring down some trees. It's saturated. Let me go to here. Let's see what the radar looks like there. Hold on, where's the radar? No, I don't want a 7-day forecast. I don't know why the radar's not here. Well, it appeared for Florida. I believe they're not showing the radar there because they're probably not getting hit with the rain. So I'm gonna go right there in the coast. Like near Wilmington, North Carolina. Let's see if they have any radar. No radar there. But yeah, so that was the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It was a little shorter than the other videos. Some of them 13, 10 and a half. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm at 242, I think. So we're 8 subscribers from 250. And once I get to 250, you guys can once I get past 250 subscribers, you guys can let me know if you guys want a shout out. And once I get to 300, I do those shout outs. So thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and see you guys. Bye.